Well, g'day folks, Doc Spice here, and I'm pretty excited to share with you a course coming up in northwest Sydney, so on the Hawkesbury, so Banduzia, Permaculture Sydney Institute. I'll put the link in the description, but I'll just quickly go through this bit of the slideshow here to show you what we're doing or what we've done on the site already and what you can see that's worked, and we can talk through it. So this is from the designer operator. There's not many of us, so we come with a very, very different perspective because we actually, all this work is, I've built that, so I'm giving you the operator's perspective as well as a designer's. So it's easy to design, but then you've got to come to the execution or the construction of that design. We talk about design, but then we've got to actually start to survey out that design, and that really starts to dictate how much reality is in that design, because it starts to tell us what we can do on this site. Now, what you're seeing on the slide here is it's a pretty steep bit of country, very awkward, hard to maintain. And really, Penny wanted some trees, productive trees on here to utilise the space. It's in a great location. It's just very, very hard to access. So we we decided to put in some terracing over swales, which we go in with that during the course. So there we go. There's the terrace there that's ran around, and I'm starting another terrace. That's the one terrace there that I'm sitting on because we're going to pick up water off the road. Of course, that's the other thing we'll look at. But that's the sort of finished product of it all. And then we're running another terrace in there, and we're just talking about surveying, but in relation to design, so setting out our heights, but also in relation to that machine there that I'm on. Well, not on at the moment, but just checking the heights and talking the students through the process that we work with. And, you know, everything's got a relationship to the pink X. And as you'll see, I've got pink marks, and that's dictating the heights from the laser level. So we'll go through all that. And then the last thing that we go through, the vital restoration of ground cover. So we don't want to leave a site bare. We want to put its clothes back on, you could say, and seed it out so we can get a bit of succession going on and start building soil. So we'll talk through that. So many things that we'll learn, like design, surveying, building, construction, how and why, and the recovery, the restoration process. And really, this is just the beginning. And it's very exciting when you see water in these systems. But you can check out YouTube, Doc Spice Permaculture YouTube. Plenty of little vids on there, little shorts that I've been doing recently. Anyway, I hope to see you at the course. I'll put the link to the course so you can check it out in the description, and all the best.